Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluids app from Mad Scientist Developer. This one. When your app is ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. After that, you need to select I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, you can click on the back button, select Set Wallpaper at the bottom, and simply close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!